ओके ओके ऑल्सो ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी मीरा, आपके फैंस ने जो है मुझे पर्सनल में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं. आप लाइक यू दिस इज योर 5th एनिवर्सरी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. आपने इंस्टाग्राम पर 5 साल पूरे कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं और आपके फैंस जो आपके हर सेकंड की आप जो करती है उन सब की अपडेट रखते हैं. दे हैव सेंड मी अ लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड दे हैव टोल्ड मी कि ये क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछना उनके unse, like, she's very active on social media, so these are all Instagram based questions. So since it is your 5th Instagram anniversary, so gear up for this segment, this Instagram segment, I would say. So
Yes.
the first question that your fan has sent me, okay, so the first question says, have you ever used the send option available on post stories of celebrities to your friends to just bitch about them?
Not bitch about somebody, but yes, I have sent. मतलब होता है ना, किसी ने बहुत अच्छा लुक कुछ किया है तो आप भेजते हो, या किसी ने कुछ बहुत ऑफ किया है तो आप भेजते हो. तो ये of course किया है मैंने. Yes, I've done
Okay,
that.
so being a girl, you have never judged anyone's fashion sense like that. कि यार मतलब.
Of course I do, but then I don't go about bitching about that person. मुझे क्या हक है? देखो,
Yeah.
see, I have my own journey. I am still on my own journey. We all are trying to make a difference for ourselves every day. तो मुझे कोई हक नहीं है किसी को जज करने का या किसी के बारे में बोलने का. For sure, हम कई बार बोलते हैं. मैं सोचूंगी, मैं देखूं अच्छा क्या पहना है. If I don't like it, I'll swipe away. It's simple as that. But then I'll not go around bitching about that person. Because जो मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं हो, किसी और के लिए अच्छा हो सकता है.
Okay. The next question says a slang or a word you can't stop while texting. Like आप frequently जो है वो word आप use करते हो while texting.
Slang or word or a curse word?
Like anything, like any word that you frequently use while texting.
One would be nice. Nice is like a word I keep using, like if somebody is updating or if I'm talking to someone, then that's while chatting. That's a word I use frequently. And I think as silly as it may sound, but when I don't want to be interested in chatting with someone, or if I'm not very happy about something, it's like that I use HMMM, that I use a lot. So yeah.
A lot of people will relate to it. I relate to it. Hanji.
Yeah.
Exactly. I relate to it completely.
Yeah.
Okay. Ever accidentally liked a post of a celebrity you don't follow? Celebrity obviously, like आपके friends भी सारे celebrities ही है. आप किसी को follow नहीं कर रही और आप किसी का account stalk कर रही हो, गलती से like हो गया होगा post किसी का. So has it ever happened?
हाँ, of course हुआ है. बट देन वो वैसे वाले होते हैं जिनके मिलियंस फॉलोवर्स वाले होते हैं, तो उनको क्या ही पता चलेगा मैंने लाइक की उनकी फोटो या नहीं लाइक की उनकी फोटो. सो या.
ओके. An Instagram profile you can't stop stalking right now. After rows, every now and then you keep on stalking that person's profile, but you're not following that person.
If I'm stalking someone and if I really like that person's profile, I am following that person. मैं ऐसे मेरा वो नाटक नहीं है कि ओ मैं तो नहीं फॉलो करती और ये सब नहीं करती मैं. So I think that person would be Nina Dobrev. I really like the way she has a very nice punk in her, and that energy is translated to her profile. So I really like that about her.
Yeah.
मतलब काश मैं उस जैसी हूँ, वैसा वाला.
Okay. The next question says one word about Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Tinder, TikTok. So अभी आपको यहाँ पर 6 अलग-अलग apps के नाम दिए हैं. You have to give one word according to you to each and every app like that.
Cool. You'll give me the names?
So first one is Instagram.
Instagram, currently, since it's lockdown, I'll name it as Oxygen.
Okay. Facebook.
Facebook, Eid Ka Chand.
Okay. Twitter.
Tweet. I don't know. I'm not very. Twitter is not my game, so.
Yeah. Okay. The next is Snapchat.
Snapchat, fun.
Okay. Tinder.
I don't have it. I don't want it.
Okay. The next is TikTok, which is obviously not existing right now, but once upon a time it
Banned.
was a craze.
And I was never on TikTok. मेरे कुछ
Yeah.
colleagues हैं जिन्होंने बहुत जबरदस्ती मुझसे बनवाए थे. And
जी.
as uninterested and disinterested I can look, मैं उसमें भी उतनी ही disinterested लग रही हूँ. I don't know.
Okay.
TikTok is not my thing, not my jam.
Okay. How do you deal with the love of your fans जो रोज उठकर आपके लिए इतने इतने प्यारे प्यारे मैसेजेस लिखते हैं? How do you deal with that?
I feel blessed, you know, कि जब हम उठते हैं, you know, I check my profile, like उठने के आधे एक घंटे बाद ऐसे मैं देखती हूँ. And always I'm showered with so many likes on my pictures. There are comments, and I always get complained कि मैं comment के reply नहीं करती या जो भी है. But then
Yeah.
अगर बहुत सारे comments है तो सबको reply करने बैठेंगे तो it just becomes a task.
Yeah.
But I read their comments, and they make such wonderful edits, and I think these are the people who make you feel special. And somehow social
Yeah.
media does play a very important and big part in our lives, you know, since
Yeah.
we are at home doing almost nothing. So
Yeah.
social media does play a big part for all of us, and I feel blessed
True.
that there are so many people matlab, who are following me, who take the time out to see what I am putting up, and you know, who feel
Yeah.
happy when I post something. I see them commenting ki, hey, finally you posted something. So that's really sweet of them
Yeah.
to do that all the time.
Okay. Like, do you take others' opinion before uploading a picture? Because you know, girls are specifically very, very choosy while you know posting an Instagram picture. So, are you like you know, are
Earlier,
you that type of a person who will you know?
एक साल पहले तक मैं नहीं लेती थी. But I have 2-3
Okay.
friends like Tanya, Winnie. So Tanya was like, hey, you know what? You need to upgrade your profile a bit. You know, I'm being very honest with you.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I'm not a person who likes to be clicked a lot, or who, you know, who will put in efforts
Yeah.
कि अच्छा मैं अच्छी लगूं फिर फोटो खिंचवाऊं. इतना नहीं होता मुझसे. This is not the person that I am. But somehow I think people are following you, you know, to see that, because they like seeing that.
Yeah.
That's like a, a a moment of positivity or a moment of goodness on their profiles. So
Yeah.
I think I've
Okay.
come down to understand that, and I have been making
Mm-hmm.
an effort towards it. I'm trying,
Yeah.
and
Mm-hmm.
it's still work in progress. But कई बार होता है ना,
Yeah.
जब आपने कुछ पहना है, आपने मेकअप किस तरह से किया है, या you know, somehow
जी.
you're not looking in a way, then you'll send 2-3 pictures. तो मैं ऐसे विन्नी या तानिया को भेजती हूँ, पूछती हूँ choose which one to put. तो ये होता है. या फिर अगर मैंने कुछ अपने से
Okay.
पोस्ट कर दिया, then I have friends like my best friend who's sitting in Canada, and Tanya or Vinny, they'll just DM that picture to me. If it's not nice, they'll tell me, hey, take it down, it's not nice, post this one. So I have friends, and I don't mind being, you know, vocal about this thing, that we all do this on Instagram, and I think I have
Yeah.
good set
True.
of friends who always keep a check on me. So yeah.
Okay. How much time do you spend on Instagram in a day?
I think 3 to 4 hours. पिछले
Every day.
5 दिन से आई एम मेकिंग अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट कि मैं और कम कर दूं, बिकॉज आई थिंक बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब अभी सिंस द मीडिया एंड प्रेस एंड एवरीवन इज, यू नो, जिस तरह से चीजें घुसी हुई हैं, देयर सो मच ऑफ नेगेटिविटी, एंड सब
Yeah.
चीजें सोशल मीडिया पे भी दिखती है. तो इट
जी.
काइंड ऑफ बॉग्स मी डाउन समटाइम्स, एंड यू नो, आप अपने ऊपर से फोकस खो देते हो फिर. मतलब it's all about
जी.
positivity and sharing joy. So somehow it has changed. So
Yeah.
I'm making an effort कि मैं अपने आप को उस चीज से थोड़ा सा दूर रखूं.
Okay. Okay. Do you go through your DMs, and what is Mira's criteria of accepting a DM?
I am very bad at this. So मैंने अपने वो जो settings होते हैं उसमें I've put it कि जिनको मैं follow करती हूँ या होते हैं उनके ही DMs मुझे आ सकते हैं, because क्या होता है आपको हजारों DMs आते हैं, तो there's this section जहाँ पे आप requested DMs में जाके पढ़ते हो, तो I do make it a point कि मैं उसमें जाके पढ़ लूँ. मैं जाके देखती हूँ, अगर किसी ने कुछ बहुत ही sweet भेजा तो I accept that DM, but otherwise I don't, because then आप accept कर लो, फिर they have the liberty to message you again and again, and then it's not nice to restrict them.
Yeah, true, very true. Okay. One emoji that makes you cringe, like एक ऐसा emoji जो आपको बहुत cringe करता हो, like
there are two emojis that I don't like, especially when I'm chatting with my friends or with somebody. तो एक होता है ये ना एक्चुअली एक तो फनीली इट्स हाई फाइव, बट हम उसको नमस्ते की तरह पकड़ते, तो जब हमने किसी को कुछ कहा एंड दैट पर्सन सेंड्स दिस, तो मुझे लगता है दिस इज वेरी सरकास्टिक. मतलब इमेजिन आप मुझे कह रहे हो हे हैव अ नाइस डे, और अगर मैं आपको ये भेजूं तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? इट्स सो सरकास्टिक. और दूसरा एक है ये, लाइक दिस लाइक कैन यू लाइक नॉट मेक एन एफर्ट टू टाइप OKAY? तो ये मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता. थम्स अप, इट जस्ट I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, so like, have you ever followed your co-star just to just not to disappoint the fans of the show, but you haven't gelled up or you don't like that person that much, but you've just followed him कि बाबा चलो show के fans disappoint now?
नहीं, ऐसा मैंने अभी आज तक तो नहीं किया है. या अगर if I've lost touch with somebody or if I'm not speaking to someone, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं अनफॉलो कर देती हूँ अगर मैंने फॉलो किया है तो. दैट आई डू, एंड मुझे इस चीज से कोई वो नहीं है. बट आई फॉलो somebody तभी ही when I want to like not unfollow that person. अगर ऐसी कोई प्रोफाइल है जो यूज, मतलब जो ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनको जो हमें फॉलो नहीं करते, जिनको पता भी नहीं कि हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं, if their profile becomes uninteresting, I'll go and unfollow, but not for the sake of कि अच्छा चलो शो कर रहे हैं साथ में तो फॉलो कर लेते हैं. ये मैंने कभी नहीं किया. एंड I don't think ऐसा करना भी चाहिए. It's very fake.
Yeah, true, very true. Okay, so like what is the most intriguing message from any of your fans or any person for that matter you have received till date, like that has caught your attention and still in your memory till date?
I think there's this one group page, जो fans ने, there are certain fan pages that's for the Sukor and the Nije fan clubs. उन लोगों ने मिलके बनाया हुआ है. They've added me on it. So they keep making VMs and posts and stuff. So sometimes they make these amazing edits of your pictures na. They are so beautiful. So वो एक page है जिस पे I'm active and I like their edits and stuff. So DMs में. So this is something that I do, but not otherwise.
Okay. So like lastly, Meera, like I'll say some small abbreviations of internet, like basically internet lingos, and this is the last thing of our interview, and then we'll have to wrap up this beautiful segment. So so these are a few abbreviations. The first abbreviation is TMI. What does TMI stands for?
I don't know.
So okay, basically abbreviations अगर मैं आपको बता दूं तो हम कभी-कभी oh my god को OMG, like laugh out loud को हम लोग LOL. Okay.
पर TMI मुझे नहीं पता.
Okay, so TMI is too much information. This is a very famous WhatsApp abbreviation. I'm glad I'm surprised आपको नहीं पता. Yeah. So the second abbreviation is AMA. What does AMA stands for?
AMA?
Yeah.
आपको मुझे देख के लग रहा है मुझे पता होगा. I think I'm going to fail this test because I am a person who does not write GN for good night, who writes GOODNIGH. Yeah, that's me. But great. AMA is what?
AMAs ask me anything. Like, you know, बहुत बार, you know, you actors put up stories, like, you know, to chit chat with your fans. So this is a very, very common abbreviation used by actors. The next abbreviation
Cool.
says TBA.
TBA.
Yeah.
I don't know. यार कोई तो
Okay,
ऐसे
so TBA
मुझे
means
पता हो.
TBA means to be announced. या मतलब ये एक्चुअली TBA तब यूज करते हैं कि जब कोई फिल्म या फिर कुछ भी जिसके ऊपर एम्बार्गो हो तो सामने यू नो लिख देते हैं TBA, that is to be announced. And the last one,
अच्छा.
okay, so the last one is that is something that we all know, but ठीक है आपके फैंस ने भेजा है, so I'll just read it out. That is TGIF. I hope आपको पता होगा, but I don't know. Okay, so I'll give you a hint. ये जो yeah, so TGIF हम तब यूज करते हैं when it is weekends. Okay, so TGIF stands for Thank God It's Friday. So
Do you think I'm a person who appreciates weekends? I don't appreciate weekends. I like working. I'm not a person who says thank God it's Friday, it's gonna be Saturday tomorrow, I'm gonna party. It's not like me. I don't do that.
But anyways, weekends का तो like you know that doesn't make a difference because television actors definitely have to shoot all day, like you know all day
I
of
shoot on
all
a
weeks,
Sunday.
all
Yes.
days of the week. Yeah,
Yes, I
so
shoot on a
that's like
Sunday.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is it. This was it. Thank you so much, Meera. Thank you so much for talking to me. I had a great time talking to you.
Terribly. I
No, but that's
failed
okay.
it.
That's okay. That's okay. But you know,
मैं
we at
आपको
least had
बताऊं
some
मुझे
fun.
कौन से abbreviations पता है. मुझे एक पता है BTW by the way. और
By
मुझे
the way,
पता
yeah.
है हाँ. और मुझे पता है TBH to be honest. और ये talk to you later का जो होता है TTYL. वो पता है.
Yeah.
हाँ और be right back पता है. BRB पता है. बस इतने पता है क्योंकि I think I have a brother who keeps using all those you know abbreviations on me. तो ये सारे मुझे नहीं किए वरना मुझे पता चल जाते.
Okay. So actually ये सारे questions मैंने नहीं बनाए थे. Interestingly ये सारे questions ढूंढ के आपके fans ने मुझे भेजे थे. So I had a great time talking to you, Meera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking to me. All the very best for your future endeavors. I hope to see you in a show soon. And I hope कि मैं आपका live interview कर सकूं. उड़ान के बाद I guess like I haven't seen you. I guess you don't.
I will.
Yeah, definitely. Meera. Thank you so much. Had a great time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please take care. Bye-bye.